Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use LogRocket in the dynamic world of web and mobile application development. Understanding user interactions and swiftly addressing performance issues are paramount. LogRocket emerges as a pivotal tool, offering session replay, product analytics, and error tracking to help developers and product teams optimize user experiences. This tutorial delves into the updated features of LogRocket, providing a step-by-step guide on how to effectively utilize its capabilities. LogRocket is a powerful tool designed to help developers and product teams better understand how users interact with their web or mobile applications. It works by recording real user sessions, which means it captures everything a user does while using the app, from clicks and scrolling to interactions with various features. This recording helps developers see exactly what the user experienced, which is valuable for troubleshooting issues and improving the overall user experience. In addition to session recordings, LogRocket provides detailed analytics about the performance of the application. It tracks things like load times, errors, network requests, and other key performance indicators that can affect how smoothly an app runs. With this information, developers can identify areas where the app might be slow or malfunctioning and take action to resolve these problems before they affect a larger number of users. LogRocket is packed with some awesome features that will make your life as a developer way easier. First up, we've got a product analytics, which helps you convert, engage, and retain customers like a pro. If you are struggling to figure out what is going wrong, don't sweat it. Struggle detection surfaces the most impactful issues that are affecting your users. It is like having a superpower to see into the future, or at least your app's pain points. Then there is Session Replay, which lets you reproduce every user experience with pixel-perfect replays across both web and mobile. Finally, User Experience Analytics lets you visualize how users interact with your app. Whether you are looking at an individual user or analyzing the big picture, it is the ultimate way to understand your users on a deep, almost mind-reading level. Let's go back to the top. As you can see, there are several options available, including features, solutions, pricing, customers, docs, log, and login. Now let's take a closer look at the features in LogRocket. For developers, LogRocket offers session replay, AI error tracking, and front-end performance monitoring. For product design and marketing, the features include session replay, AI issues detection, product analytics, and UX analytics. The platform features were mentioned earlier. Now let's talk about pricing. LogRocket offers four plans: free, team, professional, and enterprise. The team plan is priced at $69 per month, while the professional plan comes in at $295 per month. For the enterprise plan, the price is tailored to fit your specific needs. Each plan comes with its own set of benefits and features, which are detailed right here, helping you choose the one that fits best for you. Let's dive into using LogRocket. First, head over to their website and click on the login button. You will have the option to sign up or log in using your GitHub, Google, or Microsoft account, whichever is easiest for you. Just make sure to enter all the necessary information, and once you are set, you will be directed to the next step. Now that you are in, you will see a helpful walkthrough that will guide you through integrating LogRocket into your application. The first thing you will do is add a few lines of code to your project. This code will enable LogRocket to automatically track and record your users' actions and behavior, giving you valuable insights into how they are interacting with your app. The next step is to select your role. Choose the option that best describes your position, and then click Continue. After that, you will need to name your project. You can also invite collaborators to join your project, making it easy to work with your team. Once you are done, click Continue, and you will be all set to start monitoring and improving your application. It says here that installing LogRocket is easy and flexible. You can install it on either your computer or your mobile device. This flexibility is a great addition for developers on the go. Now let me move on and go to the dashboard. Here's the dashboard. It is a bit empty since it is my first time using the website. but let us explore it. On the dashboard, you will find Overview and Analytics. In the Overview section, you will get a quick snapshot of your app's performance, like how many users are active, how often they engage, and more. It is like your app's fitness tracker. Now let's talk about Analytics. This is where you'll find detailed metrics like daily active users, daily session count, daily page views, active users over time, average session duration, and page views over time. These metrics help you track user behavior, spot trends, and see how your app is performing day to day. It is basically a behind the scenes look at how well your app is doing with real time data. Let's dive into what we've got here. First up, we have Session Replay. And the cool part, you can export your data. That's right, take your data wherever you go. Next, we've got Issues, LogRocket Feedback, and of course, Dashboards. It says here, keep track of all your data in one convenient location. And honestly, who wouldn't want that? You can either use one of the LogRocket's templates to get started or create a custom dashboard to fit your needs. In the Customer Success section, you will find features like performance monitoring, feature usage, conversion rate, and user experience monitoring. And if you feel like tweaking things further, you can always add a new custom dashboard. Let's click here to add a new one. You've got two options, custom dashboard or dashboard template. Let me name this one and check out the dashboard template. Here you can choose from a variety of templates to make your life easier. Once you're happy with your settings, just hit Save Dashboard and you are good to go. We have some tabs in our new dashboard where we can track things like what elements users are clicking on, how far users are scrolling down a page, and much more. Next, in the Analytics section, we can see detailed insights on user engagement. This includes data such as active users, session counts, page views, and how users interact with your app. It helps you understand user behavior and identify areas that need improvement. Now let's move on to Settings. Here, you'll find various settings options. You can click on each one to explore its features and see how it works. There is no harm in trying. Once you're done, simply click the back arrow to return to the previous page. Lastly, let's take a quick look at the definition. Here are some definition terms that LogRocket usually use, and they have meanings so you can check it out. LogRocket is an invaluable tool for developers and product teams looking to enhance user experience and optimize application performance. With features like session replay, product analytics, and error tracking, it provides a comprehensive way to understand user behavior and troubleshoot issues efficiently. Whether you are monitoring performance, analyzing user interactions, or fine-tuning your app, LogRocket offers powerful insights to improve functionality. By following this tutorial, you now have the foundational knowledge to integrate and utilize LogRocket effectively. And that is all there is on how to use LogRocket. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.